I'm Brooke, and I'm here with
Moana.
And today we're going to be drawing a
Butterfly.
butterfly. Exactly. Do you like butterflies?
Yes.
Aren't they so beautiful?
Yes.
All right, well, we're going to draw a beautiful butterfly. Ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's do it. We're going to get started right here in the center, and we're just going to draw a small circle. That's it. Now, starting on the bottom of that circle, we're going to draw an oval. Nice. Now, starting on the bottom left side of that oval, we're going to draw a long curved line coming down and another one on the other side so they meet up at a point on the bottom. All right, now let's just give him some eyes. So we're just going to put 2 dots. And how about a smiley face? All right, now over on this side of the circle, we're just going to draw a little line coming in, another one on the other side, and one right on the bottom. Now on that bottom oval, we're going to draw 3 little lines. 1, 2, 3 on the left side. And then we'll draw 3 lines on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now coming up here on our first oval, we're going to start right up towards the top of the oval and draw a big curved diagonal coming out. Same thing on the other side, a curved diagonal coming up and over, almost to the edge of the page. Let's come back over here, and we're just going to make a small curve and bring that line straight down. So right here we just curve and bring it down. Same thing on the other side, just curve it and bring it back down. From there, we want to curve it here as well, so we're just going to curve it back in just a little bit. Same thing on the other side, we're just going to curve it back in, just a short line coming in. From there, we're just going to draw a straight line coming down on each side. Not too long, just a short straight line straight down. Now from the bottom of those lines, we're going to curve and bring it back in to the bottom of that first oval. Same thing on the other side. We're just going to curve it and bring it straight in and touch the bottom of that top oval. Now over on this side, we're going to start right here inside of this line, and we're going to draw a curved diagonal coming out. And then we're going to give it a nice curve. So it's almost like a C. We're going to curve it around, and we're going to make a diagonal going the other direction. Now from this bottom oval of the butterfly's body, we're just going to draw a curved line coming down, and it's going to connect right here. Same thing on the other side. Starting over here on this line, we're going to draw a curved diagonal coming out. We're going to give it a nice rounded turn and bring it back the other way. And then from that bottom oval of the butterfly body, we're just going to bring it down to meet up. All right, now it's time to add some details. So over on this side, we're going to draw a curved diagonal coming down and over. And then we're going to draw another diagonal to make it look like a V. And then we're going to color it in, just using our black. Now right above that, we're going to start right at the top of this bottom oval of the butterfly body, and we're just going to draw a curved line coming out. Then we're going to come up and draw another curved line that meets up, so they make a nice long skinny V. And we're going to color that in. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to draw a curved line coming down, another curved line that'll make it a V, and we're going to color it in. And let's add that second one. So let's draw a curved line coming out, another curved line. They make a nice point at the end, and we color it in. Oh, that looks really good, Milana. All right, let's do the same thing, but these curves are going to go up. So we're going to make a curved line going up. We're going to go from that point and bring another curved line coming back down, and then we're going to color it in. Let's go ahead and do another one, and this one's going to go up nice and tall. So really big long line going in. And then we're going to draw it coming back down to connect. And we're going to go ahead and color it in. Looks good. Yeah, just color it in black. Good job. All right, same thing on the other side. I'm going to draw a nice curved line and bring it back to meet up with the body and color it in. Another nice tall long one, and bring it back down and just color it in. Great job. All right, now right here at the top, I'm just going to go ahead and follow this line, and then I'm going to color that in black just to thicken it up and give a nice black trim to that wing. Good. Just makes it look more defined. Same thing on the other side, starting at the corner and just following right along with a nice skinny space in between. And then we go ahead and just color that space in black. Now I'm going to come over here on the side, and I'm going to make 3 little backward C's. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to connect it right here. Inside each of those, we're going to draw a circle. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now let's go ahead and color it in, leaving those circles white. So just carefully go around the circles so that they stay white. Give our butterfly a little bit of detail and fun. It's looking really good, Milana. You're doing a great job being careful. just below it on this lower section, we're just going to do one big curved line coming from up here and down to this line. We're going to add a good sized circle inside, and we're just going to color around the circle once again. Wow, you're quick to do that one. Good job. Now on this line over here, once again, we're just going to thicken it up. So I'm going to follow right along this line and then let it curve up just a little bit. Then I'm going to color it in. Oh, perfect. All right, let's do the same thing to the other side. So we're going to do 3 C's. 1, 2, 3. We're going to add 3 circles. 1, 2, and 3 circles right inside. And we're just going to color right around those circles. Then down on the bottom part, I'm going to make one more curved line coming down and draw that circle. And now I'm going to finish coloring it in. You're on it. You're doing great. Now this bottom line, I'm just going to make a new line following right along that curves up right on the outside, and I'm going to color it in. There you go. That's looking great. You are good at this. All right, we're going to come down here and we're just going to make a diagonal coming down that's going to meet up on this bottom line, and then I'm going to color in this area that looks kind of like a triangle. So from up here right to about there. Yes, perfect. Good. From the bottom of that, I'm just going to thicken this line up. We're going to follow right along this line right here and then just color it in. Now let's come right up here and we're going to draw a curved line coming down, and it follows right along and then it gets a little thicker towards the bottom. And then we'll just color that in as well. Let's do the same thing on the other side, starting right here, bringing a straight diagonal that comes down to touch this line, and then we color it in. Let's go ahead and thicken this line up over here by drawing another line that just follows right along with it, and then coloring in that small space that's left. And let's come up by the body, and we're just going to draw a curved line following along, getting a little thicker towards the bottom. That looks great. Now we're going to add some small mountains. So right here on this bottom line over here, we're just going to add 3 mountains, and then I'm just going to go ahead and color those in black as well. 1, 2, 3. You got it. Great job. Go ahead and color those in. Now right where those V's are, we're just going to draw a small circle and another small circle. Good. In the corner, let's go ahead and add another circle. And then let's match up the other side. So we're going to do our mountains. 1, 2, 3 mountains. And we're going to go ahead and color those in. Good. We're going to draw a circle and color it in. Small circles right at each of those V's. There's 1 and there's 2. And let's put one up in the corner as well. 3. Oh, you've got it. There we go. Now we're going to come up to the top area and we're just going to draw a nice big circle over on this side and a nice big circle over on this side. And down here we're going to draw 2 circles. Same thing on the other side. A nice big circle and then a slightly smaller circle towards the inside. Oh, you did yours up and down. I like that. I love that ours are different. Similar but different. Now here at the bottom, over on this side of the wing, I'm going to draw a nice long oval. On the other side, same thing. Big oval. A nice big oval. And then let's add a circle. And on the other side, towards the bottom, a circle. Now up on the top, our butterfly still needs some antennas, so we're going to draw a curved line coming up. And another curved line coming up to the other side. And right at the top, we're just going to draw a nice circle and color it in. Same thing on the other, oh, you got it. Same thing on the other side, another circle and color it in. Well, there we have it. Our butterflies are done. And when you're coloring, you can add whatever you want to just have fun and make it even more special. Let's get to coloring. Show them our butterflies.
Yes.
All right. Are you going to count down from 3?
3, 2, 1.
Butterfly. Nice.
I like yellow and black.
Yeah, those are some good colors. I love the yellow and black. I love that you added hearts and sprinkles to yours. And you got, she told me mine was a little boring, so I added a few things to mine to make it exciting.
Not boring. It's just you needed to add more things to it, and I like how it's peas and carrots.
Well, I think it turned out great. I love your butterfly.
Thank you.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys again next time for another How to Draw. Bye.
Bye.